Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly, and today I am going to be reviewing the lovely new pair of Christian Louboutin heels. That's right, I have a new pair of Christian Louboutin shoes, and I am so excited about these pretty pink bad boys coming at you via eBay. That's right, I found these on eBay, and let me just say this. I have been looking for this pair of pink heels forever. I have been constantly looking for these shoes for so long, and I finally found them. They are the IRIZA 100 millimeter patent blush pink heels, and I simply love them. They are probably a little taller than what I normally would pick for a Louboutin. I mean, I've reviewed the smaller version. I think they're the Chloe's that I have, or Claire's that I reviewed in one of my previous videos. But these are a little bit taller, obviously, and I think they're so pretty. I will say I found them on eBay, and unfortunately, they only had a size 37 and a half. And you guys know, I've always said it before about their shoes, like they run in a variety of different sizes. So you have to be really careful about making sure that if they don't fit, that you can return them. And luckily, the buyer that I found them on eBay, they actually did offer a 30-day guarantee. And I will say, I'll try them on and show you guys. I do think they're probably a little tight. I would have loved to have tried on a size 38 because I think that they probably would have fit a little bit better. And just FYI, here is my trick with European sizing. 38, I normally wear a size 8. These are a size 30, or I normally wear a size 8. So typically my European size is a 38. So if I wore a size 37, it'd be a size 7 US. If I wore a size 6, it'd be a size 36, so on and so forth. But the only reason that I did feel comfortable enough to try these out and order them the half size smaller is because Louis Vuitton sizing ranges so much, and my other pair of heels that I have is actually a size 37 and a half. So I don't know. I think that, like I said, they're maybe slightly small, but these shoes also will give a little bit more after wearing them. So that's kind of why my hope with it is that I'm going to kind of wear them in and stretch them out a little bit. But like I said, they're brand new. I don't know if they've ever been worn. It really looks like they haven't. The bottom of the soles is, in mint condition. The only thing that was a little bit strange was just the packaging. The box was just a little bit, it almost looks like a piece of tape was on the box that they took off. And it still came with the red dust bag, and it's got the little screws included as well. So for the most part, like I said, mint condition. They arrived super quickly, just a few days after I ordered them. So I was actually pretty happy with, the purchase. And like I said, I just have been looking for this particular pair of heels for a long time. It's just a discontinued size and color, so you can't buy them directly on their website. So I was so tickled pink to find them on eBay. So these are the heels, and they kind of have that cut out detailing, which I just think is super flattering, and it just makes for a very, very chic look. And really, I'm just planning on wearing these with a lot of I think just so spring. I think they're so perfect for spring dresses and spring weddings and work. And I just think that in terms of an elegant heel, this is what I've been looking for. And I love the coloring so much. Like I said, the pink color is so pretty. I probably could have gone more with an 85 millimeter or a 60 millimeter on the heel height if it was my first preference, because this is definitely the max I will ever do is the 100 millimeter or the 4-inch heel. I just am such a firm believer, if you look ridiculous walking in it, then you should not be wearing it. And so yeah, I think it's probably right at the max heel height, but it still works. I probably wouldn't wear these wouldn't plan on wearing these if I have to be on my feet all day long. But I think for a special event or a dinner or, a party or whatever, that you're only going to be at for a couple hours, these are so perfect, and they're gonna look so great with so many different, like I said, spring pastel dresses and outfits. Let's cut to the video of the try-on session.